is the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role Female Telugu.
Very happy to announce this award. She's a very, very fine actor. She's just released a film in Hindi right now, and she's got accolades for her performance. Shriya Saran.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Rinda. Thank you for your kind words. Manam is a movie which is very special to me. Years ago, Vikram launched me in Telugu films. Nag, who picked me up from nowhere, and Santosham happened to me. It is a special movie because every day that I shot with Mr. A.N.R. sir will be a cherished memory, which will stay with me forever. Thank you for voting for me. Thank you for all the love, and to entire team of Manam. This movie will be part of my life forever and ever. Thank you, and thank you, Mama, Papa. Thank you, my mom. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Good to see you again in the Micromax SIIMA Awards.
Thank you.
ఈ 4 లాంగ్వేజెస్లో మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ అన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్లోనే యాక్ట్ చేశారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ అటాచ్మెంట్ విత్ దిస్ మైక్రోమాక్స్ SIIMA?
It's a great occasion to come and hug all your friends, meet all of them after a long time. And after a movie is over, you don't keep in touch sometimes. Everyone gets busy in their life. It's a beautiful experience to come together and be there for each other's achievements, and to be able to congratulate them, to be able to be there for them. And SIIMA is a wonderful way of bringing all the industries together.
ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఈ 4 లాంగ్వేజ్ నుంచి కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చాలామంది నామినేట్ అయ్యి ఉన్నారు. సో మీరు ఎవరు విన్ అవుతారు అనుకుంటున్నారు తెలుగులో, హీరో ఆర్ హీరోయిన్?
Let the best person win, and whoever deserves, I'm sure, will win. And I will just clap for everyone, and I'm performing tonight. And that's what I'm very excited about.
Again, we have to get ready to see Shriya's blasting performance, Andy. So thank you so much, Shriya.
Beautiful lady with a white gown. I think she's one of my favorites ever. So her name is Shriya. Welcome to SIIMA, sweetheart.
Thanks a lot. SIIMA is special.
And you are special to me, especially.
Thank you.
Meeru SIIMA to almost 4 years ayindi kada. So you coming every year?
Yeah, it's a special connection. Every year I've been part of SIIMA, and hopefully I'll be part of SIIMA every year.
Okay. So మీరు ఈ ఇయర్ ఏమైనా పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారా?
Yeah, I'm performing and I'm nominated as well.
సో మనం సినిమాకి చాలా నామినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి పాటల్లో, పర్ఫార్మెన్స్లో. సో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? హౌ యూ ఫీలింగ్ నౌ?
Very happy. When a movie does well, you feel your hard work has paid off. So I'm very happy, and I feel very blessed. And thank you for loving Manam so much.
மைக்ரோமேக்ஸ் SIIMA 2015 ரெட் கார்பெட் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க எல்லார் கண்ணும் இப்போ வந்து அப்படியே பளிச்சுன்னு பல்பு மாதிரி பெருசாயிடும். ஏன்னா என் கூட இருக்கிறவங்க ஸ்ரீயா சரண். வெல்கம் டு SIIMA 2015.
Thank you. Thank you.
ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம தமிழ் அவார்ட்ஸ் நடக்க போகுது மேம். நீங்கள் வந்து எங்கள் காலிவுட் குவீன்னு நாங்கள் எப்போவுமே சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி அவார்ட்ஸ், what are you expecting?
Well, I hope whoever deserves it gets the award, and I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun, and lots of good performances.
Yes, lots of good performances னு சொல்லும்போது கண்டிப்பாக ஸ்ரீயாவோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸும் அதில் ஹைலைட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ எங்கள் தமிழ் அவார்ட்ஸ்க்கு நீங்கள் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலையா?
Tell Vishnu the same. I'll perform. I love to perform.
2016లో కన్ఫర్మ్ శ్రీయా మామూడు తమిళ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇరుకట్.
Vivo SIIMA 2017లో మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు the gorgeous looking Shriya garu. Hi ma'am, welcome to SIIMA.
Thank you.
SIIMA growing bigger and bigger year by year. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? How is it feeling?
It feels wonderful. It feels nice. For me, SIIMA is like a festival. Like I have New Year's, and then I have my birthday, and I have SIIMA. And I'm performing tonight, so I'm extremely excited. I'm dancing on Sahasni ma'am's songs, Meena ma'am's songs, and also on Khushbu ma'am's songs. And they all are legends. Enjoy their songs on stage.
You look great on this red carpet.
Thank
with this
you.
outfit, and something special about it?
Yes, it's just, I love this, and I'm glad you all love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I love dancing on stage. My mom says that I was born twice.
Once in the hospital and the other time on a stage. I still remember the first time I performed on stage. I was really young, and I still have a strong memory of me walking on the stage.
Talking about Shriya, first of all, when we got to know that she's working on, this SIIMA, and she's been there to perform this act, we, Shriya is very particular about what she does, what kind of act she does, and she needs. So we had meeting, we had to kind of, single it down what we want to do, and we decided we'll do a tribute to A.R. Rahman as it's 25 years that he's, completing.
So when you dance on his songs, you kind of, somewhere when you're lost in your dance, you feel those vibrations, you feel that. It's very internal, it's, he feels it and he makes it. And these songs I've grown up watching.
Most of Shreya's act, which is like more of grand maybe because
it's A.R. Rahman special act. We have picked A.R. Rahman best song, so let's see what happens on stage.
and you know how A.R. Rahman is.
Every time I do stage performances, I have a lot more respect for all the dancers. A lot more respect because, we as actors, we go, we do our act and we leave. But they keep doing it from morning to evening for some 20 acts and night shoots and morning rehearsals and teaching all over again. And sometimes they work for 20 hours. It's insane. And you know that they love what they're doing because there's no other way you can do it. Well, thank you for tolerating me, thank you for loving me, and thank you for appreciating me. Thank you for letting me be part of your life. And I've said it many times before that sometimes I feel like it's all a dream, and if it's a dream, I hope it never gets over. Thank you.
So Shreya garu, me life lo rare and real friend or
Rare and real.
any person. It can be from film industry or outside relatives. Me life lo evaru.
Me life level. My mom, my dad, very close friends. I have one very good girlfriend, Dhruti. Then of course Andre, he's like a very close friend.
Oh.
What do you think is that one rare trait that one should have to become your friend?
One quality.
One quality.
Honesty and simplicity and just a lot of love.
I'm very honest. I'm very honest.
No, basically,
Talk to my back.
Shreya. No,
I'm going to tell
basically.
people talk to my back.
Okay. I think we'll talk like this.
Yeah, talk to my back.
Yeah.
వామ్మో మీరిద్దరు అట్ట తిరిగి మాట్లాడలేరమ్మా.
No, Shreya antene oka package. Beauty with brain, with talent, with naughty, with cheapness, allari,
Ammo.
everything. ఇలాంటి ప్యాకేజ్ తో ఎవరైనా పర్సన్ మీకు కలిసారా? Did you ever met
Similar
that
person
similar
like you?
package?
I think Andre is pretty much like that. He's crazy like me. He's a lot of fun and yeah.
Okay.
He's like me.
సో శ్రేయ గారు మీరు ఫస్ట్ సినిమాలో ఎలా ఉన్నారో ఇప్పటికీ అలాగే మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు. సీక్రెట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద సీక్రెట్?
No secret. I just do a lot of yoga and meditation and things.
Oh, great. Meditation and yoga. Fantastic.
Yeah. So there is a quick rapid fire, Shreya, for you. Just tell us the first word that comes to your mind when I say this. Real.
Friends.
Rare.
Rare. Honesty.
Okay. Diamond.
Good to have, but no, I'm not very attached to them.
Okay. Natural.
Beauty.
1 in a million.
My mom.
Okay. Strong.
My Andre. My
Okay.
husband.
And sparkle.
Um,
For me, Shreya.
Sparkle.
Sparkle. Quick.
I think eyes.
Eyes, sparkling eyes.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much, Shriya, for being with us.
మీ
And
పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కోసం మేము వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
please drop the stage. Thank you.
Bye bye bye. అరే you want us to help?
You should say bye like this.
Please.
Talk to my back.
Shreya, you need to say bye like this.
Bye bye. ఇద్దరు అలాగే ఉన్నారు.
பக்கத்துக்கு இங்கே இப்போ என் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது மோஸ்ட் கார்ஜியஸ் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லுவேன். எவர் கிரீன் அண்ட் என்னோட மோஸ்ட் ஃபேவரட், எப்பவுமே என்னோட ஃபேவரட் ஸ்ரேயா. யா. ஸோ how are you?
Very good. Very happy that I got a chance to perform on them. They're the songs which have inspired me to dance, and like I remember watching Prabhudeva sir dancing on the bus, and for me, I remember recording it and watching it again and again. I was not well once. I had chicken pox.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I had to give my exams, and I told my mom and dad the only reason I'll give my exams is if you let me watch it.
Oh.
So I used to watch it for 1 hour, the whole song, and I used to be like, one day I want to dance. Allowed me to watch for 1 hour. I said, okay, now I'll go study. And it's a small story, but it's very close to my heart. These songs, Hamma Hamma or Urvashi, or even, the music is part of our life. Your life, my life. And we're very lucky that we're part of cinema. We're very lucky that we're able to tell a story. So I feel really excited when I'm allowed to dance. Since the day it was conceived, I feel like a little mother to SIIMA. And I'm very, very happy that SIIMA has become so big now. It's a big deal to do it in Dubai and do it so well, and getting the whole fraternity together. It's very difficult to get all the actors together, and now all the actors coming together just for each other. So I want to thank Vishnu and Brinda for all the love and for making SIIMA happen. I want to thank you all for all the love and appreciation. I love, not just love, but I'm indebted, and I feel I'm very blessed to all of you, because I still see myself as a girl next door, and thank you for all the love and making me whoever I am.
Superb answer. And next question. I want to live with you. To whom you want to say, I want to live with you?
Right now, I want to live with everyone and anyone. I want to live with good sense of humor. I want to live with people who inspire and who want to stay happy.
Okay.
The only thing I really love about people is good sense of humor.
Hate you.
I don't get that very strong emotion very often, but when I say I hate you, I think I hate, I don't know, I sometimes hate people who hold that mic and don't let you go out for shopping
and make you do these stupid interviews. I hate them. I hate them. But I love you, bro. I love you. I hate them. I want to thank my designer Rajat Tangri for giving me such an awesome gown and such lovely performance outfit. I want to thank my mom and dad.
And I have to say that எத்தனை ஹீரோயின்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் சவுத் இந்தியாவிலே எல்லாருக்கும் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஹீரோயின் வந்து ஸ்ரேயா. எவ்வளோ ஹிட்டு பார்த்தாலும் யூ ஆல்வேஸ் டவுன் டு எர்த் அண்ட் ஸோ ஸ்வீட் அண்ட் ரியலி ரியலி ஓகே தேங்க் யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் பீயிங் ஹியர். தேங்க் யூ.